Tehillim 19, for the chief musician. A psalm by David. The heavens declare the glory of El. The expanse shows his handiwork. Day after day they pour forth speech, and night after night they display knowledge. There is no speech nor language where their voice is not heard. Their voice has gone out through all the earth, their words to the end of the world. In them he has set a tent for the sun, which is as a bridegroom coming out of his room, like a strong man rejoicing to run his course. His going forth is from the end of the heavens, his circuit to its ends. There is nothing hidden from its heat. Yahuwah's Torah is perfect, restoring the soul. Yahuwah's testimony is sure, making wise the simple. Yahuwah's precepts are right, rejoicing the heart. Yahuwah's commandment is pure, enlightening the eyes. The fear of Yahuwah is clean, enduring forever. Yahuwah's ordinances are true and righteous altogether. More to be desired are they than gold, yes, than much fine gold. Sweeter also than honey, and the extract of the honeycomb. Moreover, by them is your servant warned. In keeping them there is great reward. Who can discern his errors? Forgive me from hidden errors. Keep back your servant also from presumptuous sins. Let them not have dominion over me. Then I will be upright. I will be blameless and innocent of great transgression. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, Yahuwah, my rock and my redeemer.